Netgear's Powerline 1200 adapter with HomePlug AV2 MIMO technology offers more than twice the bandwidth of prior adapters and delivers gigabit speeds at longer distances. This speed test compares the time it takes to transfer a 500 megabyte video file using Powerline 500 versus Powerline 1200 adapters. Powerline 1200 adapters complete the file transfer before Powerline 500 adapters are even halfway done. To ensure you get the best possible performance from your network, Powerline's Pick-a-Plug LED function helps you determine the best location for your adapter. Find out more about Powerline 1200 adapters at netgear.com.
Even the smallest homes can have areas with Wi-Fi dead spots. But you don't have to suffer from poor Wi-Fi anymore. Now, just plug in extra Wi-Fi right where you need it with Netgear Powerline Wi-Fi 1000 Essentials Edition. First, plug Powerline Wi-Fi in an outlet wherever you need a Wi-Fi boost and connect a companion Powerline adapter into your home's existing modem or router. Then watch as your Wi-Fi coverage expands through walls and floors. Enjoy full HD streaming and lag-free gaming anywhere in the house. It's just that easy. The magic is how Powerline Wi-Fi uses existing electrical wiring in your home to extend an internet connection to any outlet and built-in high-speed Wi-Fi to create a new strong Wi-Fi connection in any room. With 1000 megabits per second speed technology and HomePlug AV2 support, the Powerline Wi-Fi 1000 Essentials Edition is perfect for connecting smart TVs, streaming players, and game consoles wirelessly. Need even more coverage? You can connect up to 8 Powerline Wi-Fi adapters in other parts of your home to expand your Wi-Fi even further. So go ahead and plug in extra Wi-Fi right where you want it with Netgear Powerline Wi-Fi 1000 Essentials Edition.